Hey guys, a very short update on the price of Bitcoin. Well, as you can see, we had a very nice pullback up to $102,000. And there's no surprise because pretty much the same price action we see on the in the chart of the equities, S&P 500, well, at least for the pre-market, is currently kind of correcting, but still the same. The drop, the correction, and the correction of the correction. We actually closed the gap here, which was kind of expected. Well, at least not that fast, but indeed this is the very nice pullback, and pretty much the same we see here in BTC. And I would still argue that this is a very sweet spot below 92,000. So not necessarily this is the end of the correction, especially if you look at the altcoins. Well, we are still pretty much underwater. So we had this new high about 64,000, and today still they are struggling. Like Bitcoin is -3 point something, alts are up to -10% drop. So, and it's only for today, right? So I guess this is the trend which will continue, and the question is whether we only go below 92 or maybe just small correction and then to the upside. So I would actually say that the accent is a little bit shifted towards the bullishness, because this pullback which we observed was very strong. We reached the level from where the drop started, and in fact even this one wasn't that massive, not to mention like this one or some others. So this was very strong proof that bulls are willing to take over, and well, apparently there's a correlation with the S&P 500 which is hard to like break and which is hard to compete with, but the main point is that this coefficient to the upside is very strong as well. So not necessarily this is the end of the correction, but the hopium is definitely here. I still would consider to put some limit orders, long positions at this area below between $80,000 and $85,000, so maybe like this. So in case the price goes there, we'll get our position. But I already bought, as I mentioned before, bought this area. So if I don't get that kind of nice and sweet price for the entry, then at least with this position I will follow the price going to the upside. So that is my strategy, guys, and I think it makes sense. So far we are in the bull market, and there is no such a big any big like a signatures or any signals that we are that the market is over. So I think that we will go much higher, and from there again the altcoin season, we didn't really experience that, so it's probably in cards, just need some time to wait. We'll see about that, and I hope that the same positivity you are sharing with me. So we'll see tomorrow. I'll keep you updated. So far that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.